To add fingerprint into Samsung A36 5G, you have to just start by opening settings and now scroll until you find lock screen and AOD. Then you have to go into screen lock and biometrics, input your current screen lock, and right now go into fingerprints. The fingerprint sensor is built into the display. You will have to click continue, then register, and all you have to do is just to press your finger inside the circle like that and release when it fulfills this animation with the green circle. You can feel gentle vibration once it is scanned, and you have to just put your finger and lift until you fully scan your finger. So you have to scan the middle part, the left part, the bottom part of the fingerprint, and you have to go for it until it hits 100%. If it's not working, like in my case, as you can see, it's not scanning my fingerprint all the time, so we can actually do this with the second finger. But don't worry, it's gonna still work with this first one that you already apply. So now when you finish, you can click done and take a look. Now when we try to unlock it, we can use this finger, and we can also try to test the second finger. As you can see, it works right now for the two fingers.